Tommy and Lily came to watch a movie, but they never expected to sit in row 13. The theater was completely empty. Then, someone was sitting behind them, but the seat was empty.
It was a rainy Saturday afternoon. Tommy, Lily, Mom, and Daddy came to the old Metropolitan Cinema. They carried umbrellas and walked toward the big cinema door.
The cinema entrance was very beautiful. It had golden decorations, a red carpet, and old movie posters. Raindrops were shining on the ground. Tommy and Lily entered the cinema lobby. They saw golden frames, a huge chandelier, and smelled fresh popcorn.
Tommy was very happy. He held 4 shiny golden movie tickets in his hand.
Huh?
Lily looked at the tickets with curiosity.
The tickets were golden and special. They showed row 13 and seats 1, 2, 3, and 4. The tickets looked mysterious. The old ticket collector looked at the tickets. Suddenly, his happy face changed into a worried face. "Watch out for row 13. It is a dark hall."
Tommy and Lily were confused. They did not like that dark cinema. Tommy, Lily, and their parents walked through a long, dark hallway. They were going to Cinema Hall 4.
They entered a huge cinema hall. Wow, look at this place! There was a giant screen, but all the seats were empty.
Look at that giant screen!
Tommy looked around in surprise. Lily felt strange and held Mom's hand tightly.
Family walked up the old stairs. They saw row 13 with dusty red seats. "Let's sit here, kids." Tommy sat in seat 4. Lily sat in seat 3. Mom and Daddy sat beside them.
Suddenly, the heavy cinema doors closed behind them. The loud sound made everyone scared.
The giant movie screen turned on. Colorful lights filled the empty theater. Tommy felt a cold wind behind his neck. His eyes became wide with fear.
Lily looked at her popcorn bucket. Suddenly, something strange happened.
Lily felt scared. Mom hugged her and tried to make her feel safe. Daddy watched carefully. Tommy slowly turned around. He saw empty seats in row 14. The seats were dark and silent. The movie sound became quiet. Then, mysterious footsteps echoed inside the cinema. A dark shadow appeared at the bottom of the stairs. Slowly, it walked toward row 13. A tall person wearing a hood stood at the end of their row. Everyone looked frightened. Daddy David stood up bravely. He asked, "Who are you?" The hooded person slowly raised an arm. Then, he pointed directly at Tommy.
Everyone became scared. They quickly ran toward the exit door.
Daddy David pushed the exit door, but the door did not open.
The shadow moved closer. The movie screen flashed red and blue lights.
Tommy looked around and found a small emergency door near the big screen.
The family ran toward the emergency door. The shadow was coming closer and closer. They opened the emergency door. Bright hallway light entered the dark cinema. Suddenly, a voice came from behind. "Stop! Please wait!" Everyone turned around.
The hooded person removed the hood. Everyone was surprised. It was the old ticket collector.
The ticket collector held Tommy's lost smartphone.
I only wanted to return your phone. Everyone felt happy and relaxed.
The ticket collector showed row 13 with his flashlight. A tiny, cute squirrel was sitting there and eating popcorn.
Tommy, Lily, their parents, the ticket collector, and the little squirrel laughed together. It became a magical family adventure they would never forget.